Greetings to all, welcome to Alpha Palliative Care Daily News. An important discussion meeting was held today at the Alpha Tharwad in Edamuttam for the office bearers of Alpha Palliative Care Centers that have completed the construction of their own hospice buildings and those centers that are preparing to build on land they have acquired. The meeting was presided over by Chairman K.M. Noordin. Community Director Suresh Sridharan welcomed everyone. The chairman and architect Sharon presented the goals and facilities of the new Alpha Hospice being built at Tharwad. The office bearers of the Kodungallur, Chalakkudi, Mala, Vellangalur and Anthikad centers explained the progress of their construction. The chairman called upon everyone to prepare their centers to provide maximum assistance to the sick. Governing Council members Indira Shivraman and Dr. T.P. Jemila and Link Center office bearers K.A. Khadijabi, E.V. Rameshan, Thilakan Master, Sakir Hussain, Shafir Karumatra, Meherban, Shashidran Master, Shivraman Master, Rajiv Siar, Usha Devi, Leela Paulos and George were also in attendance. Alpha Anthikad Center has handed over the advance payment to purchase 15 cents of land for a new building. The main sponsor for this is the Anthikad Katanal Family Trust. President K.G. Shashidran Master handed over the check to the landowner, N.G. Venugopal. Patron Ramkumar Katanal, Secretary Advocate K.R. Bharethan, and office bearers Abdul Salam, Rajiv, Vijayan Manikkat, and V. Narayanan were present. Alpha Nedamangad Center held a review meeting. Community Director Suresh Sridharan presided over the meeting. President Suresh Kumar explained the center's activities. As part of expanding its operations, the committee was expanded to include Karipur Vishwan as coordinator, Vempal Saji and Muyil Muhammad Shibu as vice presidents, R. Ashokan and Binu Prashant as joint secretaries, and Ajesh T. Nair, S. Surendran, Mohanan Nair, Ashok Kumar, K. Ashokan, and Biju Narayan Poti as executive members. It was also decided to conduct an ECS campaign for fundraising. A staff meeting was held at Alpha Edamuttam Hospice. Chairman K.M. Noordin presided over the meeting. The chairman elaborated on the new Alpha Hospice and its goals. Administration Manager Sandhya Sujit welcomed everyone. The chairman stated that the Alpha Hospice will be a center that takes care of the most vulnerable and neglected people in society. Medical Director Dr. Jose Babu opined that the model provided by Alpha in the field of palliative care is unique. Community Director Suresh Sridharan said that as the center leading these activities, everyone at the Alpha Hospice should work with responsibility and uphold its ideals. The chairman welcomed Dr. N. Elizabeth, who took charge as the Alpha Hospice Resident Medical Officer, to the Alpha family. The meeting also decided to celebrate Onam on a grand scale at the Alpha Hospice. This concludes the news. Jai Hind.